Today, I am reviewing the HP OMEN 45L gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for the ultimate gaming and content creation powerhouse, the HP OMEN 45L gaming desktop is a machine that truly redefines desktop performance for 2025. Right out of the box, this desktop delivers sheer power, expandability, and next-level design for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand the best. At the heart of the OMEN 45L is the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor, a next-generation CPU built for extreme performance. With its high core count and cutting-edge architecture, this processor handles intensive gaming, video rendering, AI workloads, and multitasking effortlessly. Paired with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, you can run multiple applications simultaneously without a hint of slowdown, giving you blazing fast memory bandwidth for both gaming and productivity tasks. For graphics, the OMEN 45L is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, part of NVIDIA's Blackwell series. This GPU brings unprecedented AI capabilities and ultra-realistic visuals, capable of handling the latest AAA games at 4K resolution and ultra settings, as well as powering advanced creative workflows. With support for ray tracing and DLSS, you're getting crisp, lifelike visuals and stunning frame rates that push gaming and content creation to the next level. Storage and speed are just as impressive. The 2TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, near-instant load times for your games, and massive space for all your files, applications, and projects. Combined with the 64 GB RAM, this desktop offers a seamless computing experience, whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing high-resolution videos. One of the standout features of the OMEN 45L is its innovative cooling system. The OMEN Cryo Chamber channels fresh, cold air directly to the CPU's liquid cooler radiator, maintaining optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions. In addition, the 360mm LCD liquid cooler not only dissipates heat efficiently, but also adds a dynamic visual touch with customizable LCD lighting, making your rig as stylish as it is powerful. For immersive experiences, the OMEN 45L comes with DTS X Ultra technology, delivering authentic 3D sound for games, music, and movies. Every audio detail is crisp, spatially accurate, and highly immersive, giving you an edge in competitive gaming and an enriched entertainment experience. The OMEN 45L runs Windows 11 Pro with Microsoft Copilot built in. This combination allows you to work, create, and communicate more naturally, leveraging AI to boost productivity, accelerate creativity, and make complex tasks easier. From software management with the OMEN Gaming Hub to real-time hardware control, the desktop provides full control over performance, RGB lighting, and system monitoring with just a few clicks. Design-wise, the OMEN 45L impresses with a tempered glass chassis that showcases internal components, RGB lighting, and the overall build quality. It's built with toolless access, so upgrading components is simple, making it a future-proof option for enthusiasts. Beyond performance, HP has responsibly manufactured this desktop using post-consumer recycled plastics and water-based paint, earning EPAT Gold with Climate Plus and Energy Star certifications, so you can feel good about your purchase. In short, the HP OMEN 45L gaming desktop isn't just a machine. It's a complete ecosystem for gamers, creators, and tech enthusiasts. From extreme performance and advanced cooling to premium design and environmental responsibility, this is a desktop that sets a new standard for what a gaming PC can be in 2025.